It's a good opportunity to showcase our amazing produce here.
It's given us a lot of exposure towards the Indian market as well as the international market.
Follow-up to this event could be a campaign wherein we are kind of, echoing the voice saying that fresh produce is important.
We've been bringing businesses together in India at this event for more than 20 years now, and it's great to see so many esteemed industry leaders here today to talk, to network, to learn, and to explore opportunities in this hugely dynamic market of India.